Hello and welcome to Outlook Ninja. Today we're going to go over how to create an email signature in Outlook on the web. So go ahead and take your mouse and click on the gear in the right hand corner of your screen. This will bring you into the quick settings and scroll down all the way to the bottom and click View All Outlook Settings. Here it's automatically on the Mail tab, which is great. So go ahead and click on the Compose and Reply. As you can see, there is the email signature box here. You can input whatever you want, copy, paste, do whatever you need to do. I'm going to do Sincerely Outlook Ninja. And then I'm going to make sure that this box right here is checked. It says automatically include my signature on new messages that I compose. I'm going to click Save, exit out of the window, and then click on new message here. And as you can see, my signature is already populated. Any message that I send now will have this and I won't have to worry about it. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks.